To the viewers and fans of Pacific TV, here is Shiro Wamafari, and today I'm here with Wajabi herself. Now this time is not the he. This time I got a chance to meet with the she. Habari Mama Jambi?
Mzuri sana.
Uko salama?
Kabisa.
Now nilikuja siku ingine haukuwa, ulikuwa shift. But today I'm here.
Karibu
Asante.
Nyumbani.
So today I just want you to enlighten us about the Kids Corner. What do you have for us for 29th? Ama umehairisha?
29th iko na the Kids Corner is on fire awaiting the children.
What do you have for us?
Before I tell you what we have, you said you are Shiro
Wamafari. Yeah.
We have to invest in our next generation. That's why I have a passion, big passion for the children. And I'm going to give them a tour in the farm to tell them how farm life is. Because most of our children, unfortunately, have no experience in the farm. So we'll be having games, we'll be having music for the children, we'll be having a tour to the garden, a tour to feeding the animals, and even walking on the trail in the farm. Yes.
So when you say walking on the trail, naona kuna kuku, kuna mbuzi, kuna shamba pale farm, kuna the Kids Corner, the bouncing castle again, kuna mahali nimeona the Jambi River, there's the forest down there.
Yes.
So what do you really mean?
So we'll start with the games, and then after the children are settled in the games, I will take them to the farm so that they can be able to see how to start even a kitchen garden. And then I will take them to the sheep and the goats, and they will see what it is to bring up a sheep. If they want to feed the goats and the chicken and the ducks, they will feed them. And then after that, I will take them to Wajabi River so that they can see how ducks enjoy the nature in the river. And then we will walk up so that they can go and see where do we get the water in the farm, because we get the water from the well. And they will also see how a natural well runs into the main river. Yes.
All right. So that day, do you have like specific people who are going to take care of the kids, or is just you alone? Because I'm trying to imagine you're taking them for the tour. Are there other people going to be left with the kids? Do you have a team in case of emergency? Do you have a space? Or if my child falls asleep, what will happen? And that's a bouncing castle.
So we have taken care of that. We have a place where the children can rest. We have people who we will be having a nurse just in case of any emergency. We have a nurse in place. And also we have another team that will be taking care of the children alone. Yes.
Someone mentioned about the horse. Is it true or it's a hearsay?
It is true. I have a friend called Frida, and I went to her farm, and the horse will be coming.
How many?
One,
of course.
One horse, and then she will be taking the children on a ride horse, and it will only be for $10.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Awesome. Can adults experience?
Mostly it will be for the children, but
Masaya jioni. All right. So for now, we're going to see the Kids Corner, how it looks like. And then from there, I think we can catch up from there. Please, guys, I want you to welcome them on 29.
So, familia ya Kenya na Eastern Africa, karibuni nyumbani. Na mkumbuke mwachamila ni mtumwa. We have to be a village that raised the next generation. Thank you.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much. And guys, let's go to Kids Corner and see you baadaye. Asanteni sana for watching. Keep subscribing the channel.